At times, we are too shy to take the initiative and too timid to take the first step. But experience shows that once a person is bold enough to break the ice, several people stand up by his or her side. These people are the silent majority who are silent because they need a forceful first voice. They do not have the guts and courage to speak out or take action unless they find someone who can take the lead. Such then is the power of one voice, one step, one initiative, one person. People who are bold and courageous must realize that if they too sit back and ignore issues that need to be checked or set right, then they are actually depriving the silent minority of the force to unite and make an impact. It is generally carelessness or at times even a lack of concern which accounts for the disinterest of such bold people. They must realize that they are a special breed of people created by God to give voice to people who cannot speak for themselves. We must also realize that this boldness should never lead to rashness and foolhardiness. Boldness at inopportune times becomes rashness and may actually become counterproductive. A bold and courageous person must be equally wise and prudent when the time comes to strike and take the initiative. Selecting the right moments and right situations are of paramount importance. But when the right time arrives, a single person can move mountains.